Hello, here is your teacher Chucho, and today we are going to learn proverbs in Kiswahili. It means methali. Proverbs, methali. We'll learn 3 proverbs that are similar to English proverbs. What does it mean, proverb? Proverbs, a short known word that is a general has a truth piece of advice inside. So let's go to see what type of the proverb. The first one, it is ahadi ni deni. Ahadi ni deni, it means a promise is debt. This proverb is similar to English proverb. It means action speak louder than words. So it means the more you do is important than what you say. So for example, I can say nitakuletea matunda kesho. The answer I will bring you fruit tomorrow. Ahadi ni deni. Ahadi ni deni, bro. Yes, and another proverbs, haraka haraka haina baraka. It means haste haste has no blessing. So this proverb is similar to English proverb. It means haste makes the west. It is similar to English proverb. It means haste makes the west. So haraka haraka haina baraka, haste makes the west. Something like that. Yes, and the last proverbs, it means methali in Kiswahili. It says akipenda chongo huita kengeza. So this proverb means in English, there's someone who loves he has a one ear, he calls that one squint. So it is similar to English proverb. It means a beauty is in of the beholder, something like that. Here's your teacher Chucho. See you in the next lesson. Hakuna matata. Pa.